Namaskar to all of you. I am Dr. Vasant Satpute, Principal of Let Ramesh Orpudkar College, Sonpet, District Parvani from Maharashtra. I am participant of the online short-term course on research paper writing organized from 7th December to 13th December 2020 by UGC HRDC of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. This STC made aware of the various e-resources available and its citation method in research work. Now I could use such sources in my research work with apt acknowledgement. I developed the skill of using various citation methods as per the demands of the content. This STC acquainted us with the learned resource persons, which will help us to invite them for any academic activity to be organized at our institution. It was the need of the hour to organize such short-term courses on the theme of research paper writing, because in the age of ICT, it has become very easy for anybody to write a research paper by the means of plagiarism. But this course taught us to follow the ethics in research writing for healthy research and thereby not following any unhealthy practices. All the resource persons were very well versed and put their presentation in a very lucid manner. The smiling face of the course coordinator, Professor Preeti Mayani, kept us always cheerful, and she carried away the course without feeling any burden of it. As usual, of course, Dr. Joshi has always been the motivational force for all the faculty members who wish to enroll themselves as a participant for any course at HRDC Gujarat University. It will not be an exaggeration if I say that many teachers understood the concept of online courses through SWAYAM just because of him. Joshi sir, we will not forget you as and when the issue of SWAYAM courses come to our mind. Thank you very much, and thank you for enrolling me as a participant for this STC. Thank you.